All right, good morning. So here's how your student is going to do their math and their math homework and get their lesson and the math homework all in one. So they're going to click on things to do, and they should easily see math homework 1, 1.1, 1.2 would be the next days, 1.3 will be the following day. It'll be up here in a little bit. I'm going into this one just to show you what it looks like because I'm going to do the other one with students on Tuesday tomorrow. So they're going to click on what they need to do, and you can see I already started it, but it'll start over at the very first beginning. So it opens up to a video.
How can you use properties to explain patterns on the addition table?
So it will read it to them. They're going to hit start. Typically, as you can see, it sort of highlights, it lights up to let them know what they should click on next. Once in a while, this will light up and it lets them know what to click on next. So they'll hit start.
Hi there. Today is the day of the Great Hot Air Balloon Festival. It happens every year about this time. Finn and I have been counting the number of balloons that have floated by. Let's see how many balloons we have counted.
Okay, it's flashing, so I know what to click on. Also, if you notice down here, I clicked on the words to show. Now, if you have a student who needs to see the words as it's being said, then I like that personally, but students may or may not like it, but at least then it's there and you too can see what's on the screen if you happen to be sitting nearby. Make sure that this is not clicked because that means they've turned off the sound. And if you don't see the words, then they're not getting anything in that way. So you're going to click on what flashes.
So far, Finn and I have counted 9 red balloons and 5 blue balloons. I can find the total number of balloons by finding 9 plus 5. But Finn knows a different way to find the sum. His way uses a property of addition. Let's learn about addition properties to find the total number of balloons.
Right? So you get a sound and it starts to flash and say, click on this one.
A pattern is an ordered set of numbers or objects. The order helps you predict what will come next.
It defines what order is down here. Again, it's flashing for us to click this.
You can use an addition table to explore patterns. Here's an addition table. Look across each row and down each column. What pattern is there?
So it's flashing, so we need to click on one of the...
The numbers increase by 1, which means that 1 is added to each number. Shade the row for the addend 0.
So here it's going to flash and show us
Now
what to
shade the
click.
column for the addend 0.
That's the same thing. We click and it'll
Compare
yellow.
the shaded squares to the yellow row and the blue column. What pattern is there?
Notice they're the same.
The numbers are the same. The identity property of addition states the sum of any number and 0 is that number. Now shade the row for the addend 1.
Okay, so again, it's going to flash.
And shade the column for the addend 1. Compare the shaded squares to the yellow row and the blue column. What pattern is there?
Right. So as you can see, it's going to walk them through it. I'm going to go ahead and click on the next. Once we finish with this, it would then turn to this purple thing down here. So you would click
Complete
here.
the addition sentences to show the commutative property of addition.
So here I get 3 plus something is something, and I get 6 plus something is something. Now, if we completed this, it would have showed us what they call the commutative property, which means 3 plus, and I'll show you here, 6 is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. So it doesn't matter the order of the numbers that I add. Whichever order it is in, 3 plus 6 or 6 plus 3, the answer is still 9. So they're going to hit check.
Correct. 3 plus 6 equals 9, and 6 plus 3 equals 9.
So if you'll notice on here, you're going to get a little bit of directions here, and here they're going to get directions along